Have you ever wondered if you're secretly living in a science fiction movie? Well, spoiler alert, you kind of are. AI is everywhere, and I bet you're using it without even realizing it. Hey everyone, I'm Grace from AI Academy, and today we are counting down the top 10 amazing ways AI is already a part of your daily life. Get ready to have your mind blown. Coming in at number 10, those pesky spam filters in your email. Ever notice how your inbox magically knows which emails are junk? That's AI learning to spot suspicious patterns and keeping your inbox clean. Thank you, AI, for saving us from another prince who needs our bank details. Number 9 is all about those smart replies. You know, when your email or messaging app suggests a quick response like thanks or sounds good, that's AI predicting what you're likely to say next. It's like having a little psychic assistant who's just a tiny bit lazy. At number 8, we have navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze. How do they know the fastest route and predict traffic? You guessed it, AI. It analyzes real-time data from millions of users to help you dodge that traffic jam and get to your destination on time. It's basically a crystal ball for your commute. Number 7 on our list is your personalized newsfeed. Whether it's on social media or a news app, AI algorithms are constantly learning what you like to read and watch, curating a feed that's uniquely tailored to you. It's the reason you suddenly see 50 cat videos after liking just one. Next up, at number 6, are product recommendations. When you're shopping online and a site says, "You might also like," that's AI at work. It analyzes your browsing history and past purchases to suggest things it thinks you'll love. It's like a personal shopper that lives in your computer. We're halfway through. At number 5, let's talk about streaming services like Netflix or Spotify. The recommended for you section? That's a powerful AI engine figuring out your taste in movies and music, so you can binge watch and listen for hours. It knows you better than you know yourself sometimes. At number 4, we have those digital voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, they're all powered by sophisticated AI. They use natural language processing to understand your commands, answer your questions, and tell you terrible jokes. They're becoming a real part of the family, aren't they? Entering our top 3, at number 3, mobile banking and fraud detection. When you get a text from your bank about a suspicious transaction, that's AI flagging activity that doesn't match your usual spending habits. It's your digital financial bodyguard, working 24/7 to protect your money. Our runner-up, at number 2, is something you probably do every single day: online search. Every time you type a query into Google, AI algorithms spring into action, sorting through billions of web pages in a fraction of a second to give you the most relevant results. It's pure magic powered by code. And finally, the number 1 most mind-blowing way you use AI every day is your smartphone camera. Features like portrait mode, face recognition to unlock your phone, and scene optimization that automatically adjusts settings for the perfect shot. It's all incredibly advanced AI. It turns all of us into professional photographers without even trying. So there you have it. 10 ways AI is already making your life easier, safer, and more fun. It's not some distant future technology. It's here, right now, in the palm of your hand. What did you find most surprising? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Academy for more amazing insights into the world of artificial intelligence. See you next time.